Tonight, the world is shocked. European Union on live television looks stunned. And you know what? Who paid the price here? A journalist. Hello and welcome to TimesXP. I'm Nunziati, and a dramatic moment in Brussels triggered a political earthquake. An Italian journalist, his name is Gabriele Nunziati, stood up during a European Commission press briefing and asked just one simple question. If Russia must pay to rebuild Ukraine, then shouldn't Israel pay to rebuild Gaza? That's it, one question. And within hours, he was fired. His employer claimed that he was technically incorrect. But critics across Europe, they are saying that something is really wrong. He challenged Europe's selective outrage and Europe kind of punished him. Because here is an uncomfortable reality for you as well. For Ukraine, every European capital is very loud. For Gaza, Europe is quiet, cautious, diplomatic, sometimes silent. In Gaza, over 69,000 Palestinians have been killed. Entire neighborhoods vanished, schools, hospitals, basic infrastructure all flattened. Yet, European leaders still avoid saying the sentence here, Israel must be held accountable for rebuilding Gaza. But you know what? They're not totally wrong here either. It was Hamas that attacked Israel first on October 7th. Israel had nothing to do with that planned attack. Why not call it a massacre when a lot of Israelis, women, children, everybody were taken by Hamas under tunnels, their condition worse than the animals? Then why just blame one side? But in the meantime, journalists in Europe say that this firing is a warning shot, a message that if you publicly question Israeli policy, you risk your career. Human rights experts now say that this particular incident shows how deeply Gaza is censored in the Western narrative. This is not just about one reporter that is losing a job. This is about who is allowed to ask questions and who is punished for asking them. And here is a deeper question the world is now quietly whispering. If Europe can demand justice in Ukraine, then why can't Europe demand justice in Gaza? Simple, but very dangerous. Now that one question, that 5-second sentence has exposed a double standard that European Union does not want on global television screens. And it is creating panic across the world.